Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Joanna and today I'm very excited to show you one of Ghanaians' favorite breads, tea bread. This bread is so soft, slightly sweet and can be paired with some hot tea. So let's jump right in. In my bowl, I have some bread flour. I also have my melted butter. Also, I have nutmeg. I have my yeast. To that, I also have some granulated sugar and some salt to taste. Also, I have warm water. So into my warm water, I'll go ahead to add in a teaspoon of sugar and my yeast. We'll give it a little stir and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this step is very important. That will make sure your bread rises properly. Okay, so if you don't see any foamy after 5 minutes, that means your yeast is dead, so you have to start all over. Okay, so into my large bowl, I'll sift the flour just to be sure that I don't have any unwanted particles in the flour. Okay, once that is done, we'll add in my sugar, salt, then go ahead to grate the nutmeg into the flour. We'll combine everything together. This recipe is so amazing and trust me, you will love the outcome. You really don't need any tools for this recipe, okay? At this point, our yeast mixture is ready, okay? So we'll go ahead to pour it into the flour, then add in my melted butter. We'll go ahead to stir everything up until it is well combined before going in with my hands. Now I'm going to knead the dough until it is smooth and elastic. This should take about 15 minutes. And if you have a stand mixer, please use it because it saves you a lot of time and energy. If you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. Kindly like and subscribe for more and delicious recipes. So friends, I added just a little oil on my working surface and then add the dough and continue to knead for about 15 minutes to develop some gluten in there. Alright, so to test to see if the dough is well kneaded, you will slowly shred the dough and see how elastic it is. If the dough tears up immediately, it means the dough is not kneaded enough. And you can also test the dough by pressing the dough with your fingers. If it's sticky, you need to continue kneading. And if the dough doesn't come back, that means you have a great dough. Once I'm done kneading, we'll go ahead to place it in a grease bowl. Then cover it with a plastic wrap and a kitchen towel. We'll let it rise in a warm place for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it doubles in size. Alright, so this is what we got after 40 minutes, and as you can see, our dough has doubled in size beautifully. So we'll go ahead to divide it into my preferred size, then work on each one. Okay, this is so simple to make and the outcome, trust me, you are going to love it. If you haven't tried anything like this before, please give it a try, okay? You're going to love it. And as you all know, tea bread comes with a lot of dusty flour, okay? So we'll go ahead to sprinkle a little bit of flour on my baking pan. And guys, you can actually create any form of shape you like. Now, we all know that the traditional tea bread comes in a long form, okay? But you can create any shape you want. It could be the round, rectangular, whichever one you want, okay? So we'll go ahead to flatten it down, then roll it and pinch the ends, okay? So easy and simple. You really don't need any special tool for this. You can just use your hands, okay? And also, I'd like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. Once I'm done, we'll place it in our prepared pan and continue the rest. And once all is ready, we'll go ahead again and cover it and let the dough double in size. So simple. This should take about 40 minutes. And 40 minutes later, our dough has perfectly doubled in size. We'll sprinkle some flour on top, then pop it into the oven and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes of baking, our bread is ready. I will go ahead to remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely. But you know me, allow me no care. No time to waste at all, guys. Alright, guys, there you have it. Perfectly soft and delicious Ghanaian tea bread. Just look at the texture, soft, fluffy, and perfect for breakfast or snack with some butter. I tell you, you're going to love it. If you tried this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.